A homeless veteran found a diamond ring in a McDonald's bathroom. It was worth $15,000, enough to change his life completely. Marcus had been living under a bridge for 2 years. This ring could get him off the streets, pay for medical care, give him a fresh start. But the inscription read, "Forever yours, James and Maria, 25 years." He could have sold it. No one would have known. Instead, he spent 3 days tracking down the owners through social media and local jewelers. When he found them, he discovered Maria had early-stage Alzheimer's. The ring was one of her last clear memories. Marcus returned it without hesitation. The couple's son was so moved, he offered Marcus a job and housing on the spot. Within 6 months, Marcus had his own apartment, steady income, and was mentoring other veterans. He said the moment he decided to return the ring, everything changed. Not because he got what he lost back, but because he became someone he could be proud of. One choice, everything different.